Hello everyone, this is BJ's Customs coming at you with another video. And this time is a little challenge that Paul, the diecast guy, put out. So he wanted you to show 5 of your wheel swaps that you've done. I actually have 10 of them that I'd like to show. So let's see if I can turn this on. Alright, we'll turn that on. So first is this Mustang concept. It's probably more of a custom, but I did put wheels from a Cars car on it. It turned out really well, so that's one there. The next one is a Subaru WRX with the red livery. Put that one right behind it. That one's a custom I did a while back. I basically left the paint job that was on it, added a few decals and details, and then the wheels. This one is a old Ford, or an old Chev, sorry, that I did gasser style with different wheels. And this one is the Mod Rod, the white one with flames, and that has some sweet wheels off of a VW on it, Jada casting. This next one is a 58 Corvette, and it has some pullback racer wheels on it. So that's a Hot Wheels. Turned out really good. This next one is the Way Fast with some muscle machine wheels on it. So as you can see, when it comes around, got Cragar style muscle machine wheels on it from back in the day. Turned out pretty good. It doesn't roll as well as some of the other ones, but I still thought it was cool. This one is the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class, and that has got some black wheels on it and not much done to it, just a little bit of striping on the panel lines. This next one is a random China dollar store casting, and it is wheel swapped with gold wheels. This next one is a Matchbox Lesney made in England super fast Citroen. I'll set that one there, and that's got the flashy black and gold paint with some details. And then one more I got here is this Charger, and all I did was put different wheels on it, left the paint the way it was. Turned out really good. This is a 1966 Charger, and then I put it back in the package. So there you have it. Definitely a cool challenge I thought I would try, and I hope to see more people try it. And thanks for the cool idea, Paul, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.